Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bart coin. Now don't get this confused with other Bart coins out there because there is a few, at least a couple anyways. This one is a different one that's being listed on Mexc Global. Now I did do a video on a Bart coin before. I believe there's one on the Ethereum blockchain and the Binance Smart Chain. This one is a new one getting listed on a central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I was looking at Mexc Global's Twitter this morning, and there was a tweet 11 hours ago. It says, Mexc Global is thrilled to announce that the Bart coin will be listed soon. So their Twitter, as always, is in the corner of this video here, so you'll be able to see exactly what token I'm talking about. Because like I said, there is multiple Bart coins out there. So it's easy to find their socials. It's just right up there in the corner of the screen. And also, I'll let you know what they are. So at Bart_BSC on Twitter is this token's Twitter address. Now, obviously, you know right away that this is a Binance Smart Chain token. But I do believe there was another Bart token on the Binance Smart Chain. So again, be aware of which token I'm talking about. Now this one specifically is being listed soon on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, when this token gets listed, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Bart, which is the ticker symbol for Bart coin, and then simply just buy the token. Now, this one specifically is called Bart Space Coin, ticker symbol Bart. So that's how you could tell them apart. Well, that's one way anyways. So Bart BSC is a meme coin token designed purely for entertainment purposes. As true fans of Bart, holders of Bart embrace the humor and unpredictability that comes with it. Stay tuned for more events to come. So they might have a Kickstarter event or an airdrop event, one of those new listing events anyways that Mexc Global has. So you could follow Mexc Global's Twitter at Mexc_Global, and they'll announce more Bart info coming in the future here. So if you want to find Bart's Twitter, like I said, at Bart_BSC, they have their webpage listed on there. Bart-coin.com. Now this token is very, very brand new. That's how you tell it is not any of the other ones that, you know, were months and months old that I did videos on a long time ago. This one, their Twitter just joined in May 2023, and they have 6,572 followers. Now, if you're not aware of the Homer token, that token is just exploding. I mean, I could tell because my video, like, there's people, lots of people leaving comments and talking about the Homer token. I will link that video at the end of this video if I remember, hopefully. But anyways, there's two different Homer tokens as well. One of them is ticker symbol Homer Simpson, and the other one's ticker symbol Homer. So again, the multiple Simpsons tokens out there. I even remember Simpsons Inu or something like that coming out like a year ago or something. So just be aware, there's always multiple. People always say, well, that's a fake Wojak token, or that's a fake Pepe token. You realize there's thousands and thousands of tokens. I mean, even the Pepe and Wojak token that people claim are the originals are not the originals. There's other ones that came out years before that one, right? So I digress. Anyways, 6,572 followers on Bart Coin's Twitter, so they're doing very well. They also have a Telegram at Bart Coin Global, and that has 1,725 followers on there. So besides that, if you go over to their webpage, bart-coin.com, you can find a DEX tools chart there. It says, invest in Bart, the newest and most exciting meme coin inspired by Bart Simpson. Welcome to Bart. The meme coin deployed on the Binance Smart Chain that pays homage to everyone's favorite mischievous cartoon character. Our mission is to provide fun, community-driven investment opportunities that celebrates the power of memes and pop culture. With a vision to become the leading meme coin in the market, we believe that Bart is the perfect addition to any investor's portfolio. Join us on this journey to revolutionize the world of meme coins, and let's go to the moon together. I just realized I forgot to turn on my camera light. It's kind of darker than usual. Whatever, still looks fine. Anyways, there is a white paper. It says 1.0 on here. Usually the meme coin white papers are very similar to the webpage. It says, our mission is to provide a fun, community-driven investment opportunity that celebrates the power of memes and pop culture. Our vision is to become the leading meme coin in the market and revolutionize the meme coins through community-driven innovation and features. Now, some of the features here, they have a DEX swap integration. So Bart is available on popular DEX platforms like DEX Swap, making it easy to trade and exchange. They also have staking. So hodl your Bart token and earn more through staking. The longer you hold, the greater your rewards. NFTs. Collect exclusive Bart-themed NFTs that celebrates Bart's iconic pop culture status, and blockchain. In the near future, Bart will have its own blockchain, further enhancing the coin's value and utility. They have lots of partners, different call channels, basically, where they're going to do marketing. Contract address is on the page. It says total supply here, if that is a million, billion, trillion, 240 trillion tokens. Total supply burned 120 trillion, so half the tokens. If you are going to buy or sell this off of a decentralized exchange, there is a 10% buy tax and 10% sell tax. So that is a good reason why Mexc Global might be superior, just because of the taxes. It's a better way to get it if you don't want to pay 20% taxes basically on your token. You get 2% reflections, but 3% goes to development, 5% marketing. So basically you lose like a lot of tax money there. But yeah, Mexc Global has super low fees, so that's a benefit to that. Now they do have a roadmap on here. Phase 1 is team, lineup, and brainstorm, logo creation, stealth launch on PancakeSwap, community building, strategic partnerships, BSC trending. Phase 2, website launch, Cognito's audit, listing on different platforms, white paper 1.0 release, BSC scan token update, DEX tools token update. Phase 3 is going to be skeleton multi-chain listing, NTM.AI listing, collaboration with influencers, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listing, and Trust Wallet logo update. If you want to get in touch, there's some info about that on the bottom. There's all sorts of different web pages too in different languages. They have like 10 different languages. I guess they had a pre-sale on Pink Sale because they have an LP locked. They'll take you over to Pink Sale. All sorts of information. I didn't even get to their DEX tools chart or anything yet, or their white paper. They have a 14-page white paper. Their DEX tools chart is on here. They have a 97 out of 99 DEX score on DEX tools, so that's really good. Actually, it says it's either 97 or 99. Anyways, the screen left. But yeah, it's very high. Check it out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about the Bart coin? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.